everyone, and today I'm going to introduce the tools you need for acrylic painting. Okay, let's first show you some of my paintings. Believe it or not, I learned all this at home by myself watching videos. So if I can do it, then you can do it too. Okay, let's start with some basic tools we need. Now we start with the paper we need. So we practice painting, so we can just use the paper. You can go to any craft store. I got them from Walmart, so you can get it from Walmart, Target, or Michael, anything like this. They look a little rough, like canvas. They're already prepared, so you can practice with this paper first. Make sure they say that it's for acrylic. Okay, and then we need also a lot of acrylic color, so you can get them in the different containers, so it just say it's acrylic, it's good enough. Okay, you can get a bunch of colors: green, black, white, those yellow, red, okay, blue. Those are basic colors, so you need more of them. And then you can, with those colors, you can make more colors. So I get a few basic color. We need a lot of brushes, and you can use the one we do watercolor, and it also need some hard brushes that is for oil color. So you need to prepare the canvas. You also need a 2-inch brush, at least one, or you can get 2, just switch them sometime. All right, and you can get some like angle brush, yeah, some bigger one, some smaller one. Okay, and you also need some fan brush, and you need angle brush like this. All right, and in the lesson I will teach you how to use them. Fan brush like this one, and this one is a little rough, sometimes you may need them. All right, I get a few first. And then you also need maybe 1 or 2 knives, and sometimes you make color with, and you can paint with. Okay, every time before you paint, you also need to prepare 2 cans of water. Okay, one's with soap, one's clear water, and then prepare a paper towel or towel to dry your brushes. Okay, and that's all we need. Enjoy your painting and stay with me, and see you in the next video. Okay?